Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can upload music to Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can upload music to Spotify. So right now we're gonna jump right to the steps. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the Spotify desktop app on your Windows PC or Mac and sign up into your account. After you do that, go ahead and click the drop down menu button next to your account name and choose Settings. After that, scroll down the settings screen to the local files section and select the Show Local Files slider. Select Show Songs from Downloads or Music Library. If you want to import audio from another folder, select Add a Source. From the pop-up browser, select the folder you want to add to Spotify, then click on OK. Select your library from the left-hand menu and then the local files folder to explore and play tracks stored on your computer in the Spotify desktop app. In order to upload music to Spotify on your mobile device, go ahead and select Create a Playlist from the left-hand menu on the Spotify desktop app and give the playlist a name. Select the local files folder in your library and drag and drop tracks from it into your playlist. Then open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. You should see your new playlist in the playlist section of your library. Open the playlist and you'll see that the songs are all grayed out. To import them from your computer into the Spotify mobile app, tap the download button below the title of the playlist. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.